chances of winning one of these cases really depends on a number of factors, and they can be won. First factor is, do you challenge the DRE process? And my feeling is absolutely. Routinely challenge the validity of this DRE process. It's a process that was essentially contrived by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, done through research through another police station, and not necessarily even based on medical research or valid medical research. So the first step is challenge the DRE process, and whether it's a scientifically or medically reliable and valid method of investigating whether or not somebody's taken drugs before they got into a car to drive it. Second step is you want to look into the qualifications for the DRE. And sometimes the DRE didn't go through the proper training procedures because they have to get a certain number of investigations under their belt before they become a recognized drug recognition evaluator. And when they do these investigations, they have to have an instructor present in order to determine if they're doing it properly. The third step would be to actually look at their evaluation and whether or not they came to the proper conclusions, and a lot of times they don't. So once that's gone into whether or not they've actually done the evaluation properly, you want to also know not only did they do it properly, but that they come to the right conclusions. And it takes specific training, not only on an attorney's behalf, to understand what they're looking at, but sometimes you want to bring in another expert, a former DRE, to look at these cases and evaluate what the DRE did properly or improperly.